And it's called Trucker's Lament. Now, if you've never heard this song, Trucker's Lament, you're going to love it too.
Wait a minute, what does that mean, lament?
Well, you'll find out. But you got to pay attention. And by the way, this song goes out to all the AARP members out there.
How old do you have to be an AARP?
Sign you up right here at the table right here. We'll sign you up for AARP. You gotta be 50 years old. Wait a minute. 40's okay. You're in.
Okay, first, are there any children here? Okay, this is an adult song.
Yeah. Children, don't pay attention.
This song was written by a couple of guys who wrote a lot of songs for the Hee Haw program. Remember Hee Haw on television? Sheb Woolley was the primary songwriter, and his cohort was a guy named Dick Feller. And a friend of mine sent me this as an attachment to an email and said, "You gotta learn this song." So I said, okay, it's called Trucker's Lament. Stepped out of the shower, got a good look at myself. Pot belly, bald head, and I thought it was somebody else. I caught my reflection in the mirror on the back of my bathroom door, and I just don't look good naked anymore. So I'm going upstairs to turn the bedroom mirror to the wall. I hung it there when I was trim and tall. I'd stand there and strut and flex and smile until my arms got sore. But I just don't look good naked anymore. Now I used to go out with the girls. I loved them, one and all. Now they don't get very close to me, 'cause they're afraid that I might fall.
Ouch.
Went to a nude beach for a little seaside fun. Stretched out in my birthday suit, soaking up the sun. Somebody yelled, "Hey, there's an old white whale washed upon the shore." I just don't look good naked anymore.
All right, kids, close your ears.
Now me and my wife had a dance routine. Everybody said it was unique. Now it's only when we're back to back that we're dancing cheek to cheek. I went to my doctor for my annual medical exam. Stood there in the buff, and suddenly she said, "Man." I said, "What is it, Doc?" "Some fatal disease, I just gotta know the score." She said, "No, Keith, you just don't look good naked anymore." The marches fell and my chest went to hell and my butt's a dragging the floor. And I just don't look good naked anymore.
Thank you, Keith. Okay, children, now you can open your ears again.